Well, it won't be long before this wet stuff starts turning into white stuff. Probably a couple months though yet, sadly. But we're cleaning out the garage. Here we have this critter. It hasn't been started for a few months. Let's have a little fun. Let's see if it's going to start for us. Do a cold start on her. Ignore all the mess. Like I said, I'm cleaning, so this guy's going to be moved over to here. I'll have a little more room and go from there. But yeah, let's see if she's going to start for us. Alright, here we go. Okay, contact. I'd say we have a runner. Oops. Thanks for watching.